Hello friends, how are you? I am Noor, and in today's session I will show you how to set up the development environment on your machine for the development of React.js applications. Right. So you have to install the Node.js. It is our first step, and then you have to check the Node and npm version on your machine, right? And then you have to download any suitable code editor. I will prefer to use the Visual Studio Code Editor because it is a lightweight and one of the best code editor. So I will prefer to use the Visual Studio Code. I have already installed Node on my machine, and I have already installed the VS Code, but I will show you from where you can download. Okay, so just type download Node.js. Okay, and here go to the official site and click on this option. So from here you can install the 64-bit version of the window installer. So just click on these, or you can also install from here. When the file is downloaded, then there is no hard rule for installing on your machine. So just download from here and then install Node.js on your machine. As I have already downloaded and installed, so there is no need to re-download and install again on my machine. Right. Once you have downloaded and installed the node on your machine, then go to the command prompt and just check the version of node and npm. Okay, now here you can see that the node version 18.17.0 is installed on my machine. Now I have also to check the npm version, sorry, npm dash v. Okay, let's we see. Okay, so the version 9.6.7 is installed of npm on my machine. Okay, it's mean that we are now ready for the development of React.js applications. Okay, so you have also to download the VS Code editor. So just go to the official site of the VS Code, download VS Code window. Okay, if you are using any other operating system, then you can install accordingly. Now here you can install for the Mac or for the Windows operating system, right? Now just click on this option. Once you click, then a file will be downloaded. When the file is downloaded, then just run as administrator. You can directly run, and then there are very simple steps to install. As I have already installed, so I think there is no need to re-download and install again on my machine, right? So these are the basic setting for development of React.js. In the next video, we will come with another topic of React.js. Thank you for watching the video.